Hey guys, I'm back here again. Got another video for the mosin gun here again as well too. I just want to do about another 3 shots here to show you how the recoil is right here for this gun right here. This is the Finnish M39 mosin 1944, and we've got the good old Wolf military classic ammunition loaded up in here again. Good old 200 grain bullet right here. The only reason I use this stuff is because it's non-corrosive out there for that, and you don't got to worry about cleaning out your gun immediately after you get done taking it back to your house or your apartment or whatever you can do out there. So we got the gun loaded up with about 3 rounds. Good old good old shoulder thumper right here. 3 rounds of 200 grain stuff right here, and we'll run through the gun here and show you how it works. And this gun definitely does thump your shoulder out there, to say it lightly. Okay, get you a good stance right back there. Looks good. And ejects great. Yeah, it ran great, no problem. Gun runs perfectly fine. Gun was basically cleaned. I cleaned the crap out before I even came up here, because it's always a good idea. Because anytime you buy an older gun like this, you never know how much gunk is gonna be stuck in the chamber or the barrel out there for that. Especially in a mosin gun, it's always a good idea to clean the chamber extremely well down inside here, because unfortunately you get a lot of cause when you build up down front down here. If you don't clean it all out, it might cause your bolt to not want to cycle the spent shell casing out of the chamber correctly. Other than that, it ran perfectly fine. It's a good old Finnish M39 mosin rifle.